Morning, friends. 8th November 2021. Morning, 9 o'clock. We have very good rainfall from yesterday morning, that is 7th November 2021 morning 8:30 to 8th November 2021 8:30. Chennai Nungambakam 73 millimeter, Ennur Port 22 millimeter, Meenambakam 42, Chidambaram 63, Neyveli 43, Kattupakam KVK 55.5. So in Tiruvallur districts, Tirur KVK is 39.5, and the ARGs which are connected with IMD network, they are also showing very heavy rainfall. Cheyyur in Chengalpattu 136.5, Tambaram 59, Anna University 47, MRC Nagar 34.5, Taramani 44, YMCA 43, Kallakurichi district, Tirukkovilur 67, Kanjipuram district, KCS Medical College is 65, Chembarambakam less 1.0 only, Hindustan University 30, Satyabama University 57, Tiruvallur 57.5, this is in Villivakam. So very good rainfall has been reported, but comparatively with yesterday's when we compare with yesterday's rainfall, we have a small reduction in the rainfall. So this is the again windy. So this is the present situation. You can see winds coming from northeasterly direction is taking a turn around a broader wind circulation. So once again I am playing. This is morning, today morning. These are all forecast positions coming from the ECMWF model. So you can see the winds that are coming from northeasterly direction turning into the circulation, and a broad area of Bay of Bengal. We can see a wind convergence area, and there is a small circulation over Sri Lanka and Tamil Nadu coastal area. So let us see what happens to the expected low pressure area that is going to form. So this is the expected low pressure area. From whatever the run of the model now, it is not suggesting that the system will strengthen a lot. So at present it is winds associated with the system in circulation. Winds in circulation associated with the system are not strengthening as per this ECMWF model. At the same time, the GFS model also have not shown much development of the system. But a weaker system will bring lot of rain. That we should remember. And the pattern of the northeast monsoon rainfall is it will start raining in the night time and up to early morning. Say in the morning up to 10 hours, this may bring rain. So GFS system is showing slightly an organized circulation, and it is moving in the west northwest direction, coming very close to Tamil Nadu coast, and practically moves in the northwest direction. Because of this, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, entire east coast is likely to have good rainfall of the order of 15 to 20 centimeters. So you can see the circulation coming very close to Chennai, and the present run shows that it is crossing somewhere near Chennai, but the winds are very less. What the model predict as far as the rainfall is concerned for today and tomorrow, if you see, the red patches will give more rainfall. So this is over Tiruvannamalai district. So near Puducherry, Kadalur and all, one patch is moving in during the night, tonight. By tomorrow, 9th, light rain is there for the entire peninsula and Delta district and Tanjavur, Nagapattinam, Tiruchi districts are getting some heavy rain. As the circulation is approaching, the rain patch is also moving. So on 10th, you can see the red patch. This is the area of heavy rainfall. So it is crossing Puducherry and coming up to Chennai. So now I have clicked here. It is showing 23.3 millimeter will be realized in 3 hours. Like this is what the model is showing. So there is no reduction in the heavy rainfall forecast that the IMD is issuing from 8th to 12th. Though the system appears to be not strengthening to the deep depression or cyclone level, rainfall will continue. So I will try to update you in the coming days, at least daily once. Already Tamil Nadu, especially Chennai, has got enough rain. So further rains will be difficult for the people of Chennai to manage. So everybody take care. Thank you.